In this video, we're going to discuss the 7 reasons why you should incorporate your business. Now stick around till the end of this video because reason number 7 is the most important reason to incorporate your business. So what do I mean by incorporation? Well, what I mean by incorporation is when you file a document with the Secretary of State to create a business entity. And if you have a corporation, you file what we call the articles of incorporation. And if you have an LLC, you file the articles of organization. However, if you have a general partnership or a sole proprietorship, you don't need to perform any filings at all. And this is because general partnerships and sole proprietorships are not incorporated entities. So you're going to want to stay away from them at all costs. If you have an incorporated business, what are the 7 benefits to incorporate them? The first benefit is the tax flexibility that these business entities offer. And this can come in really handy because it could save you thousands of dollars in taxes every year. If you set up a corporation, it could either be taxed as a C Corp or an S Corp. But if you set up an LLC, it could be taxed as a C Corp, an S Corp, a partnership, and a disregarded entity. The second benefit is the payment flexibility that you have. So if you own a business, there are 2 ways that you can get paid. The first is through a salary. And this is where you set a reasonable salary for yourself. But the benefit is that you're only paying the self-employment taxes on what you set your salary at. So this can be a great vehicle to minimize those self-employment taxes. And the second way is through distributions. So distributions usually come from the profits of the business. But when you distribute money to yourself, you don't have to pay payroll taxes on those distributions. The third benefit of incorporating is that you're far less likely to be audited by the IRS. And this is important because if you use a sole proprietorship instead of an incorporated business entity, like a corporation or an LLC, you're 5 times more likely to be audited by the IRS if you use a sole proprietorship. And if you have a business entity, you're going to want to make sure that you reduce your audit risk. The fourth benefit of incorporating is that it helps with your credibility. If you have your business name on stationery, contracts, and other business agreements, it'll help with your credibility when dealing with other people. And if you appear to be more legitimate, then people will be much more likely to do business with you. The fifth benefit of incorporating is that it's easier for you to sell business interests to other people. And this is because it's easier to transfer corporation shares or LLC's membership interests in the event that a member dies, a member wants to leave, or the member wants to add a business partner. And if you use a sole proprietorship or a general partnership, those automatically dissolve when a member dies. And if you decide to add a new business owner or sell your business, business brokers will be much happier if you use an incorporated entity like an LLC or a corporation from the start. The sixth benefit is the management flexibility that incorporated business entities offer. Here, these types of businesses can either be managed by every owner or by a select group of managers. And this can be really important, especially if you don't want certain people making business decisions. Now, the 7th and most important reason to incorporate your business is the asset protection that incorporated business entities offer. If your business is sued and you use an incorporated business entity like an LLC or a corporation, your liability is limited to the assets held inside your business. And if you operate as a sole proprietorship or a general partnership and your business is sued, then that claimant will be able to reach all of your personal assets. And at the end of the day, that's a situation that you simply do not want to be in. And if you need help incorporating a business, we here at Corporate Direct would be happy to help you out. Please make sure to schedule a free 15-minute consultation with one of our incorporating specialists by clicking the link below. I also have a new book called The 5 Tricks to Teach Your Kids About Money. You can download the book for free by clicking the link in the description below. If you're looking to start a business, you can schedule a free 15-minute consultation with us at Corporate Direct by also clicking the link in the description below. And as always, please make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on that notification bell. And I should warn you, the contents of this video are not legal advice and no attorney-client relationship has been formed.